Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your iPhone won't charge because it detected liquid inside. So first you need to check if there's actually liquid in it. To do this, just look into the lightning port with a light. If there is, shake the phone into a cloth without the case, obviously. Now if that doesn't help, try restarting it. Press volume up, then the power button to restart. Yeah, like that. If that doesn't work, you can try charging the phone a bit later. Maybe some moisture really did build up on the contacts, right? Or try updating iOS, for example. That might help too. Go to Settings, go to Software Update, and update iOS to the latest version. A factory reset can also help if it's a last resort. That's everything this was. See you all later.